Hello, what's going on, everyone? My name is Sir Awesome here, and today I'll be playing some more Phantom Forces. Alright, I feel like this guy right in the corner. I get hyped. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Not my day. Alright, I know where this guy's going. Alright, this is a good flanking route. Alright, there's one. There's two. Can we get more? Alright. We got the, this is more like a quad kill than anything else. Double kill. Can we get the triple kill? Can we get the triple kill? I think I saw someone. Get the, yes! Yes! Let's go! That was a, like a multi-kill right there. That was a pretty good run. That's pretty good. Alright. See that guy. Boom, boom. There we go. I almost feel like these guys are running into my bullets. Alright. So, now, there's someone up those stairs. We're gonna go these, because I don't want to be instantly welcomed. Alright, let's see where, are you down there? Nope, nope, nope. Where are these kids? Come on, come on, where are you? Oh, thank you, thank you. That is not a good tactic. Frick. I was too low of health to do anything. That really sucks, but oh well. Where are they? They're over here. Probably in there most. Wait. I have a play. It's gonna be really good. There's one. Like clockwork. Like clockwork. Nope. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing else. Anything? Anyone? I'll take a hello. Nope. Nope. No one. Again. Every time we're on a good streak, we're always alright, there's one. There's two. Okay, we got a bunch of assists. So, wait. I almost died from that guy. So glad I caught my mistake. Again, there's another guy, and I don't know what that guy's doing. Yeah, if you guys want to play this game, I definitely recommend looking down scopes. It helps. So, I know where a guy is. No, he's up there. And there should be, okay. For a second, I'm like, we can't shoot through the stairs, right? You guys should have killed that guy by now. Huh, where? Okay. There we go. I can run through it. I see someone. A good little tactic to do in this map is kind of stay in the middle. There's a lot of grenade spam here, but if you kind of like stay around these boosts, it's really helpful. Especially when you're doing domination with this map. Alright, I need rounds. Alright, where is... Ooh, I was wrecked right there. That was like cut up in two. And nope. surprised I didn't see that sooner. But well, that guy just got an amazing play. I'm gonna run a different gun. Crap. The deagle can only get me so far. I don't really care right now if I showed up on the minimap. Or coming back and kills. Alright. That was bad. Like really bad. That attachment I don't think is very good with a shotgun. Cause I used to be a really big KSG user. I used it every match. And I learned what's good with a shotgun and what isn't. There are some scopes that are good with a shotgun, but mostly the better scopes come around like fewer kills. So there you go. And the range on shotguns is insane. I think they should definitely nerf that. Cause shotguns are plus grenades. There's a lot of grenades. Wait. Okay, nothing. Well, yeah, that's pretty much destined. MK11 is a pretty good gun. I'm gonna run support right now. I need to level up my L2 too. It's not doing so well right now for attachments. Yo. Also, what I think we should do is they should definitely add skins to the game. I mean, like kind of like COD, where golden skin and because you already have double kills, headshots, and stuff like that, but you don't really have any kill streaks. So what I recommend to this game is definitely add some form of kill streaks. Just to show up on screen or chat. That'd be cool. Like for 20 kill streaks, it should show up in chat and around like I don't know, like 50 kill streak. It should just show up like a big thing in front of your screen, in front of everyone's screen, really. That's one. Typically in this game where there's one, there's typically two, because of spawning on people is super easy in this game, unlike most games where you can just join a game and you have a designated person where you can spawn each other. Alright. Yeah, what they say on the screen, don't really listen to it. So, guys, comment down below what kind of game you want me to play. Right now, I'm only really playing Phantom Forces, but I have a lot of games like Overwatch and Minecraft. I have a whole bunch of games, so please comment down below what games would you like to see, and I will play them. I will surely play them. Loading screens. They're so annoying. Well, I have the time. I'm going to show you my recon class. My new recon loadout. I thought of it a lot. And I'm going to go with, I'm going to try, let's get the SCAR. I'm going to be using that, but right for now, I'm just going to use the SKS. I only have one kill on it. I have more kills on the Rex. Wait. I want to see what I have more kills on. The Rex or the Deagle? Yeah, the Deagle. I have 200 kills with the Deagle. You know what I want to do? I want to buy a ballistics tracker for my gun. How much does it cost for a shotgun? Again, for a ballistics tracker, I bet it's not much. Birdshot. I'm buying birdshot. Yes, if you don't hunt or anything and you don't know, birdshot gives a super huge spread. I think the game uses buckshot, but this spread is amazing. Buckshot. So I went ahead and buy it. Because shotguns are OP now, right? But with buckshot, they become like superheroes. Dang, buckshot is OP. Alright, I didn't win that battle because my I was too far away. Plus, it did a lot of damage. Man, buckshot. I mean, birdshots are. It's amazing. You know, I want to see if I can do a kill streak with it. I have a. Alright, at least I got an assist. There we go. See that? I literally shot one bullet and killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Ooh. Rank 0 with KSG? What? That's crazy. Because if I'm not mistaken, a KSG unlocks at rank 2, I believe. Crap's rough. I know I'm just firing rounds. Anyone? Alright, I feel like it might try. Because I think, could I make that jump? Nope, I can't. But that's okay, that's okay. Crap. That's the one thing with the shotgun. You don't have. I mean, birdshot. It's not like if you put birdshot, it won't do everything for you. But birdshot OP. I'm not much of a shotgun user. I mostly use assault rifles. And my all my best kill streaks are assault rifles. But now I'm starting to love this thing. Its power's amazing. Oh my gosh, this is insane. No one down here. See that? See the range? Dang! If I can shoot that far, that's just broken. This is just broken. I'm serious. This is broken because now I shoot like 500 pellets. They do less damage, like 0.2, but who cares? I don't think he's in there. Damn, this thing's range. Oh my gosh, this gun is so... What the... This gun is so overpowered. Anyone here? Alright, KSG. I think my spread is not as good, but the power of this thing, I almost feel like I'm gonna go up against a tank with this, because that's how good it is. Oh my gosh, it's a monster. It's a monster, man. It's a monster. Ooh, alright. And M4. You know, he was in a good position. There's nothing I can do. I mean, oh, sniper. Get down. Wow, that was a good, well thrown grenade. I almost feel like I don't need the deagle anymore, because this thing gives plenty of range. Okay, that was pretty dumb of me. But I have 46 assists for that far range. Okay. Thanks for avenging me, guys. I may never go back to a normal gun again. Because this is just one shot killed 2 people. One shot. I'm not even using a sniper. And this is even doing good up here. It's kind of like a playground of snipers. Dang. Okay, yeah, eventually I was gonna die. Cause that far away with a shotgun? No, this is not possible. But man. Okay. That makes more sense, because 4 shots go some of that range. Oops. I was pretty screwed. I was being shot from the front and back. I don't care how good you are, that you're just dead at that point. Alright, so there's someone. Yep, you. Capture. Alright. Come on, die. Alright, there we go. Capture the point. Now what next? What next on the to-do list? Alright, there we go. I think people are starting to catch on. Oh my gosh. This is almost like a Superman feat. I got a double kill from the ground, shooting up with a shotgun. Yeah, they're laid down, but still. I should maybe get... No. That's okay, because I'll kill myself. Oh, darn it, doors. I am not allowing you to take my point. No one. No how. Alright, I feel... Nope. That guy's dead. Guy around the corner? Nope. Okay, that's just a teammate. They all quit or something? Alright. Buying birdshot was probably the best thing I could have done with my CR. I definitely recommend everyone should buy birdshot. Because birdshot should be the new thing. You don't even have to be accurate at this point. Guys, comment down below how many double kills I'm getting with single shots. Because every game I play, I'm always the guy crappy at the shotgun. Where is everyone? I don't need any snipers anymore. I'll just take this and use this sniper. Okay, that's probably it's greatest. Alright. Nope, no one. Surprised no one's there. Wait, let me go take the point. Why not? Why not? There's a guy. A few guys actually. Alright, once I tap this. Oh, let's go. I ranked up already. Well, 30. I was actually planning to buy a ballistics tracker this video, but no. Birdshot is clearly better than a ballistics tracker. I don't know if it's the map, but if you see, this thing has some serious range and firepower. because I just obliterated that guy. I bet if there's a guy behind that, I probably would have killed him too. There we go. There's one. Kim gets teammate. Some sniping me, so that's. Yeah, I was definitely gonna die there. Even I knew it. I'm getting 12 kills behind the guy behind me. It's pretty. It's pretty good. Not too shabby. Because the only thing I look at is KDR and kills. And now my KDR is 2.42, which is okay. Mainly it's just kills with me. Cause I like to see the orange flash go up on my screen. Yeah, I think it's a trend now. People are using the Remington. Hopefully they learn the only reason why this is so OP because it's birdshot. I used to have 2 lasers and just for like cosmetics coolness, but now it's seriously. Wait, what am I? Okay, I'm on Phantoms. For a second I was on Ghost, but I'm on Phantoms. Alright, is anyone my cat at this point? I see you. You better back down, homie. Better back down. I see you too. I see you too. Crap. That. Dang, 50 kills with birdshot. If you ever shot sporting clays, birdshot is basically these little lead bullets. More like BB. It's just basically a bunch of BBs. And when you shoot it, it's mainly just to kill clay pigeons and birds. That's why it's called birdshot. And I just took out most of the people. Alright. Let's go get my revenge. I'm gonna go get some revenge and have some fun. Alright. I thought that was the enemy. Dang. Is it a family reunion up there? I mean, come on. You know what I see that as? An opportunity. One chance. One opportunity to make things right. Alright. Alright. I knew I should have pulled out the shotgun there, since he's teammate. Alright. I probably shouldn't spawn on there anymore. I probably shouldn't spawn on a sniper as a guy using a shotgun. Alright, this guy is who I should have been spawning on. Alright. Avenge kill. And that guy, I don't think he knows what he's doing. So, I think I see an opportunity if I climb this ladder. It's risky, but it could work. And no, there isn't anyone. Frick. He's really low though. Oh my gosh, 10 health. Yeah, it's starting to regen, but still. They need people on the ground. I wonder if these guys are smart or not, because we're on ghosts. So we're losing. That's kind of sucks. Oh well. Yeah, it's dumb. Defeat, but, you know, is it really a defeat for me? No, because I did so much. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye!